Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, we can swipe down the control center and disable things like location and Bluetooth when we don't need to use them. Then go to your device's settings, scroll down to device care menu, here select battery, and here first of all we can enable the power saving mode by switching this toggle on. Then in power saving settings, let's tap the gear icon next to standard, and here we can select the limitations that we want to apply to the power saving mode so that it doesn't limit our device's performance way too much. And also let's check the battery draining applications on our smartphone. In the same menu, we just have to tap view details, and here we'll be able to see the list of applications that use up the most battery on our device. If you see that some application is using more of your background, more of your battery than you would like it to, you simply have to select this app and restrict background usage by switching this toggle to the right. Lastly, we can also disable vibration and haptics, which will also slightly improve the condition of the device. And all we have to do for that is scroll up to the sounds and vibration in our settings, and here we have to go to system vibration, and we can disable all of these vibration sounds. And that's pretty much it. So that's the way to go. That's how you save battery on your device. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.